Hi my friends, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful back strap. So let's see together. Take your snap hook and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through one loop. Insert your hook and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through one loop. Twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and 8 times. Yarn we pull through first 4 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, then pull through last 4 loops, chain 1. Insert your hook into this space and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop. Insert your hook into this space and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop. Twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, and the last time. Insert your hook into this loop and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 4 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains, pull through last 4 loops, chain 1, and repeat. Insert your hook and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop. Insert your hook and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and 6 times. Insert your hook into this loop and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 4 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then pull through last 4 loops, chain 1. Continue until you reach the desired length. Now I reach my desired length. Take your snap hook insert your hook and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook into this space and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and 6 times. Insert your hook into this loop and snap hook and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, then cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thank you so much for watching my video and for your time. I appreciate for your consideration. I'll be back very soon with more educational videos. Bye.